Hi everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to put a link in your TikTok bio. So first thing is open the TikTok application on your mobile device. Now once you have been logged in into the account, you need to tap on the profile icon on the bottom right. Tap that. First thing is tap on add bio option. Tap that. Now you need to copy the link that you want to add to your TikTok bio. So I'm just going to copy a random link from the Google. Tap upon Google Chrome. I'm just going to copy this YouTube link from here. Tap on copy and you need to paste on the bio section. Tap on paste. Now tap on save on the top right. Tap on save. This will add the link to your bio right away. But the thing is, if you add link to your bio, that link will not be clickable. So if you want a clickable link, so what you do is tap on setup profile. You will be at the edit profile section. You can see the bio link that you have just added, which is not clickable. So just remove it from here. Tap on save on the top right. Now what you can do is you can add your Instagram or YouTube link in the social. If you do that, you will have a link to your Instagram and YouTube from TikTok. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel and don't forget to click on bell icon for the notification and updates. Thank you.